Hi everybody, welcome to English 100. Joyce Luck here. You can only hear my voice. I'm showing you what's on my screen. Okay, am I on student view? Let me put this on student view so that the screen looks like, there it is. Now it probably looks more like what you see when you're signed in. Okay, first things first. The first thing you want to do in Canvas is go to your account. Just click on this, and what you want to do is go to notifications. Click on that, and you want to set your notifications up so that whenever I send out an announcement, you will be notified of that right away. That's really important because I send out corrections, reminders, what are we going to be doing this week? Sometimes somebody will ask a really important question and I'll have an answer to that, but I want to make that public. Sometimes I'll send the answer out in the announcements, that kind of thing. So it's really important that you don't miss announcements. So make sure that you set up notifications so that you get them right away whenever I send them out. Okay, the other thing to know, or among many other things, the other thing to know is that this class is organized by modules. Okay, that is chunks of information. Usually the modules all have a different paper for each module, but you can get to the modules by either clicking here or you can click there. Another thing to know about Canvas is that there really is a lot of redundancy across all the modules. It can seem like a maze at first. Like, didn't I just read that? Blah, 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 blah. But anyway, if, by the way, you get lost in the maze, all you have to do is click home and you go right back to this page and you can start over again and find where you were or find where you need to be. Anyway, I want to show you the modules. So the course is organized in modules. So as you can see, Module 1 is summarizing, paraphrasing, avoiding plagiarism. Module 2 is the Glass Castle, the power of parenting. And then, of course, I don't have the other modules available right now because it's right at the beginning of the course, and I don't want to overwhelm you with so much information. But something to know about each module during the course of the semester is that every module will begin with an overview. And on that overview page, it will tell you what we're setting out to learn in that module. And then there will be a list of all the assignments in that module along with their due dates. So that's, if you ever forget when something's due and or your dashboard is so cluttered with information about stuff to do and this needs to be turned in and la 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 la, make life easy for yourself and just go back to the modules and just look for the overview at the beginning of each module. Another thing to know about each module is that there is a questions forum in each module. So if you've got questions about anything in the module, about an assignment, or you weren't sure about some of the material, ask them here. Now, the questions forums are public. Everyone in the class can see them, and so don't ask something personal on one of the questions forums. If it's personal, you want to email me privately about that. Okay, but if it's a question about an assignment, anything like that that's in a module, just post it to the questions forum, and I, or maybe even another student in the class, will get back to you about it. By the time we get to the end of the semester, you're going to have, 7 modules or something like this available. Your screen's going to start looking pretty busy. So just be aware that you can minimize the modules. They will always stay live, so you can go back and look at something if you need to. But, instead of having to scroll all the way down, you can minimize the modules to create room on your screen. Okay, finally, and then of course you can open them back up, right? Yay, so much fun. Okay, we're going to start off by introducing ourselves this Friday. Please get started. You're watching this Basics of Using Canvas video right now. There's also a Canvas student user guide available if you can't figure something out and need some additional information. Another thing to know is that if you ever run into technical problems with Canvas, just go to the login page. When you go to the login page for Canvas, you'll see the Canvas help desk. You can text or email or phone them, and they can hopefully help you figure out what's going on and how to fix that. Like maybe you're having trouble uploading an essay or something such as that. Okay, well, there is a quick slapdash introduction to Canvas. The best thing you can do is just nose around, click around, see what's going on, and get comfortable with the software if you aren't already. All right, let's have a great semester, gang.